Hi, this is Sharad, and thank you for watching my video. I migrated to United States in 2001 in search of work. I have been married for over 23 years, and my wife, she has blessed me with two awesome kids. My son was diagnosed with autism when he was about 4 years old. I completed my computer science engineering in 1997, and I worked for some really high-tech companies like Dell, Cloudera, EMC, NetApp, and various others. In year 2015, I decided to change my future by starting my own real estate business. And the big reason was that I wanted to leave a legacy behind for my specially abled son. Last year, me and my brokerage, we donated over $750,000 to Children's Hospital of LA for kids with special needs. This year, our target is over $1 million. All agents in our brokerage, they contribute towards the cause by donating a small portion of their income every month. Currently, we run a real estate brokerage by the name Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in Santa Clara County. You heard it correct. If you can't sell your home, we will buy it ourselves. During my free time, I either like to read some fiction work or just not do anything at all. We also run a real estate school online to train new people. So if you are thinking of starting a new real estate career, feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you for watching my introduction.